back to art. I'm still in my mom's art room this week filming the lesson, but today we are going to be learning about the art element of color. Then we're going to write some notes and color some notes inside of our art notebook. Let's go learn.
We are going to talk about the 6 basic colors that we can use in art and the 4 groups that these colors can go into. The first group are the primary colors. They are red, yellow, and blue. The word primary means first, so these are the first colors. You cannot mix any colors together to get these colors. These pigments are found naturally in nature. You can mix 2 primary colors to get another group of colors called secondary colors. They are orange, green, and purple. The word secondary means second. Let's mix blue and yellow together. What color do you think it will make? It makes green. Let's mix red and yellow together. What secondary color do you think it makes? It makes orange. Now let's mix red and blue together. What color do you think it will make? It makes purple.
Did you know that colors have a temperature? There are warm colors and cool colors. The warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. These colors help us make our artworks look hot and warm. For example, we can use these colors to make a sun, a fire, or hot salsa. What else could you use warm colors for? The cool colors are blue, green, and purple. These colors help our artwork look cold and cool. For example, we could use these colors to make a swimming pool, an iceberg, or grapes on a vine. What else could you use cool colors for? We're going to look at 4 artworks that use mainly primary, secondary, warm, or cool colors. Let's identify what group of colors these artists used most. The first artwork is called Cotopaxi by Frederick Church. What group of colors do you think he used? Primary, secondary, warm, or cool? He used warm colors. There are lots of reds, oranges, yellows in this artwork. The next artwork is called Broadway Boogie Woogie by Piet Mondrian. What group of colors do you think he used in this painting? Primary, secondary, warm, or cool? He used primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. The third artwork is called Water Lilies by Claude Monet. What group of colors did he use in this painting? Primary, secondary, warm, or cool? He used cool colors, lots of blues, greens, and purples. And the last artwork is called Greenhouse in Autumn by Edvard Munch. What group of colors did he use? Primary, secondary, warm, or cool? He used secondary colors, lots of purples, greens, and orange. Great identifying the colors, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, once you have your colors and your art notebook, we're ready to start. We're going to be doing 2 art notebook entries today. One is going to be a color wheel, and the other is going to be separating our colors into different groups. Now, when we do the color wheel, we need to make sure that it is in the correct order. So please, please, please do exactly what I do for the color wheel. Our title is going to be color wheel, so COLORWHEEL, color wheel. Get a circle, something that you can trace, because we don't want our color wheel super teeny tiny, then we won't be able to see the colors. So we have this is a good circle, Can be anything. This is tape that I found in my mom's art room. So here I have my circle. Then we're going to draw 3 straight lines to divide our circle into 6 parts. So we're not going to have one going straight down the middle. We're going to have a diagonal line, diagonal, it's diagonal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's okay if your triangles aren't equal, boys and girls. We just need 6 triangle pieces. Now, the first part we're going to do is we're going to get our red, and we're going to color in one of these triangles red. So let's color this triangle in red. Please make sure that you are coloring in this nice and neatly and not sloppy, okay? So here is my red. And we're going to be going clockwise with our colors. So in the next triangle part, we're going to be putting the color orange. So our next color is going to be orange. So we need to color this one in orange. All right. There we go. Our third color we're going to do right beside our orange is going to be yellow. We're putting it right here, not over here, not here, not here, right next to the orange. We're going to put our yellow. Now, boys and girls, our color wheel helps us organize all of our colors. And I'm going to show you once this is finished how we can use this color wheel because it is a very important tool. Our next color is going to be green. So we need to get our green, and it's going to go right next to the yellow. It's not going next to the red. You can see the green is right across from the red. So that's what we want. Green next to the yellow. Our fifth color is going to be blue. It's going to go right next to the green. Here we go. There we go. And our last color, does anyone remember it? It's going to be purple. It's going to go in between our red and our blue. Here we are. Here we go. All right, boys and girls, the next step of this is we are going to write the letters P for primary, S for secondary, W for warm, and C for cool next to these colors. Now, is red primary or secondary? It's primary, so we're going to write the letter P right there. Is red a warm or a cool color? It's a warm color, so let's put the letter W there. Orange, let's see, is it primary or secondary? It's secondary, so I'm going to put an S right there, it fits there. Is orange warm or cool? It's a warm color, so we're going to put a W right there. For yellow, is yellow a primary or secondary color? It's a primary color, so we put a P. And then is it warm or cool? It's warm, so we put a W. Green, is green primary or secondary? It's a secondary color. And is it warm or cool? It's a cool color, so we put a letter C there for cool. Blue, is blue primary or secondary? It's primary, so we're going to put the letter P next to it. And is it warm or cool? It's a cool color, so we're going to put the letter C there. And finally, our purple. Is purple primary or secondary? It's secondary, so let's add the letter S. And is it warm or cool? It's a cool color, so we're going to put the letter C there. Now, if you can see, boys and girls, we have primary, secondary, primary, secondary, primary, secondary. It's like a pattern. And if we cut our circle right here in the half, we have our warm colors on this side and our cool colors on this side. Do y'all remember what red and yellow make if we mix them together? It makes orange. What about yellow and blue? What color does that make? It makes green. And what do blue and red make? It makes the color purple. So boys and girls, this is our color wheel and it helps us organize our colors. Now we're going to open our page to another blank page. Uh-oh, this is my last page. I'm going to need to add more pages soon. On this page, we're going to just write the word colors and underline it. Then we're going to have a subtitle called primary. And we're going to just scribble down our 3 primary colors. Do y'all remember them? It's going to be red, blue, green. Oh, no, it's not green. It's yellow. So those are primary colors. Underneath, we're going to write the word secondary. Second, and then A-R-Y. And we're going to scribble down our 3 secondary colors. So we have green, we have purple, and we have orange. Now, we have primary and secondary. We have 2 other groups. Do y'all remember what those are? It's our warm and cool colors. So I'm going to write the word warm here. I'm going to do a line right there and then write the word cool over there. So let's get our warm colors. We have red. We have orange. And we have yellow. Those are warm colors. What about our cool colors? We have blue, we have green, and we have purple. So boys and girls, this is just another way of seeing what our group of colors are. So what you guys are going to turn in for me is your color wheel and your color groups. When you're done with that, you are finished.
Let me tell you what I'm looking for in this week's assignment. You guys are going to be turning in your 2 color entries. The first one is going to be your color wheel. Your wheel needs to be in the correct order. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Then you also need to either write an S, C, P, or W next to the color to determine if it is a primary, secondary, warm, or cool color. The other page is going to be your color groups. You need to have a primary group, a secondary group, warm color group, and a cool color group. You guys can turn this in as a picture or as a short video. Again, in my video, boys and girls, I had so much fun teaching you guys about colors and what groups they go into. I do want to say that if this page of your colors doesn't fit all in one page, that's totally fine. You can just add it to another page, all right? Next week, we're going to be learning about an artist who I think uses color extremely well in their artworks. I can't wait to see you guys next week and see what your color pages looks like. Bye!